Hi nurses and friends, I would just like to update you for the hiring update as of March 25, 2026. Right now, sa mga referrals ko for the USRN post, meron pong nahahire. Nahahire as USRN temporary work from home. Pag temporary work from home, temporary work from home ang setup, pupunta ka lang sa site for you to pick up the equipment. So from training up until production, work from home ka. Just like what I do. Temporary lang siya pero sa contract pwede siyang naka-state as hybrid. Pero sa recent hires ko na mag-start ng April 6, pati sa contracts, sa job offer, nakalagay na temporary work from home. So kung USRN ka with at least 1 year of bedside experience, with active PHRN and USRN mainland license, ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-apply ka na.